This is your chance to represent Pakistan at COP28 in Dubai. COPs are annual international climate conferences where world leaders gather to make climate policy. It will be held at the end of this year in Dubai, UAE. COP in My City are events that will be held for students in all the provinces and regions of Pakistan. You will engage in climate-related discussions to show your passion for climate action. Climate change disproportionately affects women more, yet we see very few women at climate conferences. We need to bring more girls and women to COPs, and so this opportunity is especially important for the girls. Registrations close on the 5th of August, so use the link provided in the caption to register. We will see you at the COP in your city.